Hello my dear friends, welcome to Learn SAP FICO. Friends, today we will continue the previous topic, that is how to create LSMW. Before starting, I request you all, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and share the videos with your friends. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all my coming videos. So let's continue the previous topic, that is LSMW. Today we will see some further steps how to record a LSMW. To record LSMW, what are the steps? Let's do the practical. Go to SAP screen and see how to record for any LSMW. The T code to LSMW is itself LSMW, as I told you earlier also. Press enter. Here we have given this project name, subproject and object. Today we are going to record a particular any T code for LSMW. To record a particular T code, we will click on this go to menu, then click on recordings. Now click on this create recording. Here, as we have given the recording name as FS00, because we are going to record for a GL creation. Here you can give the description and continue. Now it is processing. Let me check the network. Yes, it is working. Now here we need to give the transaction code which you are going to record. So we are going to record FS00 transaction code and just continue. As you click on this enter, so your window will open and your recording is start. Now you have to fill each and every parameter very carefully. Now we will create a new session to see the GL account number which we are going to create. So we will see by OBD4. We will check the account groups list. Click on this position. Give the chart of account. Our chart of account is Tata. We will create a GL. So we are going to create a GL for other expenses. So here the GL account range is 406,000. We will copy this and we'll come here. Here you need to remember, whatever the transaction you are going to do in future for all GL creation, we will select all the parameters, but we will create any one GL and we will show all the fields which we use in for others GLs also. So we will record all the fields which we are going to use in others GL also, but we will create a one GL Now here we will give the GL account number which we have copied, and we will just change it like this. Here you will need to give your company code and just click on create. All the things you should do very carefully because these are recording. All the things are recording. Now here you have to select your account group. Our account group is other expenses because we have selected the expense account group. As it is the part of profit and loss, so we will click on it. But for the other scenarios, for other GLs, when we will create any balance sheet GL, when we will create any liability GL, or when we will create any revenue GL, so what are the parameters we will select at that time? We are going to activate that fields also. We are going to record that fields also. So for recording purpose, we will click on this also, as it will record. And just now we will just click on this profit and loss account because this other expenses account is your part of profit and loss account. Clear? Now here we will give the short description. Expense or I'm just giving testing because we are going to test a LSMW, testing LSMW. Whatever the GL you are creating, you should create a one particular GL because this GL will be created into your system. So let's give a real name like other expenses. Whatever name you can give as per your choice. I have given other expenses. Here you can give the description about your GL, other expenses. Now just click on enter, and now click on this control data. Here we will select the currency INR and we will click on this local balance currency, as we need to click on this and others GLs also. And here we will give the text category, press F4 key, and you can select any. I'm going to select this input. We are not recording this input, output and all things. We are just recording the fields which we need to record in all the transactions. Now we will click on this posting without text allowed also, because in some GLs we use this posting without text allowed option also. So now just press enter so that all these entered fields will be recorded. Now just remove this because we are not going to use in this GL. And now click on this reconciliation account and select any one of them, because we need to just activate this field. We need to just record this field. And now press enter. As you press enter, why I am pressing enter again and again? Because when you press enter, that time this all recording will be recorded. And now just remove it because this GL is R0 reconciliation GL. Just remove it. And now you can click on this open item management and this line item management, and just press click on this sort key also. Select any sort key. I have selected 001 and press enter. Pressing enter again and again is recording your fields. Now remove this open item management. Why I have removed it? Because this expense GL is not a part of open item management. So now press enter again. This is the toughest LSMW which I am telling you. GL creation LSMW is the tricky LSMW because here we have to remember the things which we have to click on first, and then we have to remove it, because at the time of recording the fields you should not get any error. If error comes, so your LSMW will not work properly. Now click on this next option, create bank and interest. Here you need to select any field status group. I am going to select G001 and press enter. Now click on this post automatically only and click on this relevant to cash flow, because in some other GLs we need to click on these options also. Press enter and now remove this, as this GL is not relevant to post automatically only, and remove this also and just press enter. Now you have taken all the parameters which you use at the time of GL creation of any GL. Now just click on save. So all the parameters you have to select it. You can see here your recording is completed. All the fields which you have selected is recorded. Now just after recording you should click on this default all. So here you can see, after pressing default all, you can see the fields which you have entered, it's showing here. The fields which you have entered is showing here, which you have recorded at the time of recording. All the fields are showing here. Here you can see whatever you have entered, it is showing here. So now this is your recording is completed. You can just click on this save. Whatever you do after doing anything, you have to just save it. Data was saved. Now we will get back. So here your recording is completed. We will get back. Now we will do the further steps in our next video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share the videos with your friends.